Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Today I am going to share an eye-opening event from the history. When they built the Titanic, I don't know if you know this, but when they built the Titanic and they were going to sail from Liverpool to New York, and they're making this journey, one of the ones who made the Titanic was asked in an interview just before they left Liverpool. He was asked, do you think this old ship could actually sink in the ocean? And do you know that he said, this Jabbar, this tyrant, he said that if even God wanted to sink it, he couldn't sink it. This is in the record, this is in the media, you dig it up, you'll find it. He said, even if God wanted to sink it, he wouldn't be able to sink it. So they went on this cruise liner, this ship, and they sailed across. And they got somewhere near to the Pacific Ocean side, and it was night time. They are all having wonderful time on the ship. Those are the wealthiest people who can afford this. Imagine the wealthiest people who can afford this, and the luxury on this Titanic. There is nothing like this in the world. So what happened is, this night time, ahead is a bit of mist, and they all know that in this freezing weather there can be icebergs that are light mounted from the seabed that rise up. They know this, but Allah has got their hearts in His hand. So He makes the sailor of this ship say, nah, don't worry, Titanic. What's an iceberg gonna do to Titanic? An iceberg, he is thinking, if I go ahead, I'll go slowly. But if I just go ahead, and if I hit an iceberg, this thing's so big, it's gonna break the tip of the iceberg. That's what went in his head. Allah made him believe. So they went ahead in the night time, and it came across, and it hit. And you know, before he went ahead, some of these other sailors said to him, you know, it's not safe. I read about it. I read a whole article about it. They said to him that it's not safe. And he said, don't worry, what can happen? Don't worry. So he went ahead, and it was a very sharp iceberg that they sliced into it. And then after a little while, you know, it's like they are still playing their music and they're enjoying themselves, and some are asleep and the chefs are cooking. And then next minute, they know, the sailor says, we are going down. They built this Titanic so strong, they believe that it couldn't snap, and they believe that you couldn't take it down in the ocean. So water started to come inside here. What's happening now is that it's getting heavier and heavier. And this part of the boat in the other side of the boat is now lifting, and it got so high that in the middle it snapped. When Allah gets a tyrant on the earth, He's gonna make sure about that people are around to talk about the story, and they'll live with a face of fear and humbleness to tell the story of what Allah did to them. They told stories to their children, and their children told their children. And Allah showed them who Al-Jabbar is, who the real mighty one is. Where is that guy who made that statement? Now that even if God wanted to sink this ship, He couldn't even sink it. Where is that guy? Now, and this is Allah saying to all the rest of mankind, don't challenge me.